there you guys are. I haven't seen you in a while. So you might be asking yourself, where you been, mate? Where you been, mate? So I gotta get me workout in. I've still been here. I just haven't posted a video in a long time. It's a rave! You know, things just go too fast in life. You know, I feel like after you turn a certain age, things just go really fast, you guys. We're gonna start, I'm gonna try. What? But I really just need a filmer, you know? But I think I'm gonna get back to it, start posting more videos for you guys, and then, yeah. But we got the Cadillac back. I'm gonna explain what happened to this thing. That's obviously the title of this video. But she's alive, and, yeah. Hey! Surprise, motherfucker! I'm calling the police. Cts-V! You know what time it is? It's tunnel time, baby. She got a little squiggle. Her little arse just jiggled and full. Alright guys, I know I made a video in like 5 months. It's because the Cadillac was out of gas. Gee, why didn't you just fill it up, bro? Now guys, we're gonna be filling up my Cadillac with some gas so that we can make a video. It's gas time. Would you look at that? Oh my god, look how much gas is so much expensive. You guys might be wondering, bro, why are you driving the car? It's got so many check engine lights on. Shout out to my man Thomas, by the way, for helping me get this thing back together. But that video for the Cadillac, when it caught on fire, I guess, I think that was like my last video. Transmission was basically furred. I still drove the car a little bit, and then one day it just, you know, turd sandwich, basically. Sent it off to, I forgot the name already, but I sent it off to get the transmission rebuilt. It was a full rebuild, big money cash, you know, not like you guys care because, well, one, I haven't been making videos, and two, you guys don't support me anymore. Yeah, it hurts. It's like, we got that rebuilt, had to get it put back in, and then honestly now all the lights that are on are for a sensor, pretty much. Basically the transmission blew up. We had to get rebuilt. That's a lot of money, and we just had to wait a little bit. But now she's back in business, and she's super duper loud. I got a lot of things I want to get done with this car. Obviously fix this check engine light, and then she's back good to go, you know, guys. So we're gonna be making some more videos of this girl. I got a bunch of stuff we're gonna do with her, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's like a giant list of things I want to do, so we'll just make videos when we get that stuff done. We're gonna lower this PZ because I've had coilovers for the longest time, and we're finally gonna commit to it and just get it done. We're gonna lower it, and then obviously some body work and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, that's basically what's been happening with the car, what's been happening with me. We'll probably do like little vlogs in between because I just miss making videos with you guys. It's fun. I like doing it. It's a good pastime.
When I pull up on a hater, watch a hater fall back. I'm too good with these hands, watch a hater fall flat. If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. been my greatest weapon. I know I